It is Tuesday, April 7th, my dudes, and we are back. Or it might be a different day for you, depending on how fast or slowly you are working. Uh, um, so let's go ahead and get started with what we're going to be doing today. If I can get my PowerPoint to work. There it is. Okay, so first thing we're going to have is our learning targets. And our goal for today, since you have been gone for a while, is just to show you a few features on Schoology and Pearson. And you're going to use them to do a little scavenger hunt. Just to make sure you remember how these things work. If for some reason you have forgotten how to do something like how to get to Pearson, just remember the My Perspectives link is at the top of Schoology, of your Schoology page. And remember, if you click it and you get the little frowny face, just click it again and it will take you right in there. Success criteria. All right, so you're going to be able to navigate and explain some features on Schoology, especially things you might not have used before, such as updates, messaging, materials, and conferencing. I don't think we have used most of those features, but now that we're online learning, we're going to need to. We're also going to be looking at some features in Pearson, such as assignments and annotations. When you open the PDF that has the little scavenger hunt, it's going to look like it's cut off, and that's okay. Just click on it or click on the link and it'll open right up. You do not have to print out any of the worksheets that are here for your lessons. You can simply do them on paper. Or if if you feel like it and you want to print them out, that's fine, but it's not necessary. We do understand that not everybody has a printer and can print out a worksheet. We're more concerned about the information that you put online that you use for your assignments. So, okay, activities. So there is a really great video that Miss James made called Find the Missing Teacher. It's pretty hilarious. There's the PDF called Schoology Scavenger Hunt, and that's going to have the directions for you to follow. And then at the end, you're going to do a little discussion post called Where is Miss James? And that's pretty much it. We're keeping it pretty light today. As always, I'll be available from 10 to 12 during my office hours. And that's about it. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.